Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be showing you how to verify a Cash App card for Apple Pay. So without wasting any time, let's jump right into the video. The first thing you need to do is open up your Apple Wallet or Wallet app. Once inside, select your Cash App card. Now, what you need to do is delete the card that is currently connected to your Apple Wallet. To do this, tap on the three-dot icon. After tapping it, you'll see three options: card number, card details, and notifications. Simply tap on Card Details. Once inside, scroll to the bottom where you'll see an option to Remove Card. Tap on Remove Card and confirm it by tapping Remove again. The card will now be removed. Next, you'll need to add your Cash App card from the Cash App itself. Open up the Cash App and at the bottom of the screen, you'll see a card icon. Tap on that. From there, select the option that says Add Card to Apple Pay. Tap on it and then select the device where you want to add your Cash App card. After selecting your device, enter your name and card number. Once that's done, tap Next and follow the instructions to complete the process. And that's basically how to verify a Cash App card for Apple Pay. That's it for this video. By the way, if you use the link in the description to sign up to Cash App, we will both get $5. The exact steps you need to take to get your free $5 are in the description as well.